everyone, a heartful welcome to you all 2020 Talks. Excuses sound best to the person who's making them up, but life has no place for excuses. Life has only a little time. Although it will continue to go on, you cannot hold on and think that every day is promised to you, a promise to live your dream. No one knows what the dream you have. No one cares how disappointing it might have been as you have been working toward that dream. But the dream that you are holding in your mind is possible. When you run towards your dream, life has a special kind of meaning. A meaning that can give birth to a great person like late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam did. He did recognize himself at a very early age. He became one of the best scientists and president India has ever had. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. This saying have become increasingly popular in recent times. The owner of such a thought-provoking and action-packed magic words is our former president, Dr. Abdul Kalam sir. Popularly known as the Missile Man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of the most loved personalities in the world. Not only kids, but youth loved this Missile Man due to his playful, generous, giving, caring, and loving nature. The legend has left back for us some really great teachings. Let's see some of them. He was the part of Vision 2020, and all problems and possible solutions laid out by him stand true till date. What is disheartening is we are in 2020 and in spite of the forcing problems and having a plan to outbeat them, we are still facing them. From focusing to providing hygienic water to every family in India, to the coordinated running of industries and agriculture, we know we failed him. We are just going to show how many more years India will be a superpower country in 2020. India 2020 is not only Kalam's dream, it should be the dream of every Indian. But what are we looking for in the dark after forgetting our dreams? He has left many thoughts for the younger generation. He is well aware that the future of the country is in the hand of children. That's why he is feeding a great deal of awareness among children. And he is concerned with their characteristics and interests. If Nehru for the last generation, Abdul Kalam for the today's generation. Kalam will ask the children questions and motivate them to ask questions. Ask them questions not only for education, but his alertness and dedication to what most required. Kalam would say, can only human being be lazy to keep the sun, moon and earth all orbiting? Listen to what he has to say to the younger generation by the future sculpture that you have to work hard to succeed in your life. We need young leaders who are creative and knowledgeable to create a new Indian social structure. It takes a connection of mind to change for me into for you. We, the citizens of India, must bring growth in their respective sectors to transform India into a developed country. We have been a developing country for the last 50 years and we have to become a developed country in future. How did you struggling young boy from a small town in South India become a premier scientist and one of the India's most beloved president ever? The reason behind this, his perseverance, hard work, and exemplary vision helped him achieving extraordinary success. We thank you for being an inspiration. You have always encouraged the spirit of the young Indian generation and helped us to be humble and yet achieve great success. Your presence will be missed, but the spirit to dream, chase